Hello everyone, this is Sharun here from 24/7 Techie, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 just got announced in India, and the surprise specifications what for you guys would be that it's a Snapdragon 625 and not a Snapdragon 652 or a 653. And in this video we will be talking about why it's a Snapdragon 625 and not a 652 or a 653. Just a reminder to everyone to please hit that subscribe button and also the notification, and subscribe over here in the desktop and in the computer screen. How it should be done, it is being portrayed in front of you. Please do hit that subscribe button. So Xiaomi Redmi Note 3 had Snapdragon 650, which was a great performer. Then came the LE LE2, which was Snapdragon 652, and a lot of other devices then came with Snapdragon 652. So Snapdragon 652 has been in the market for a long time and it has been performing amazingly. But Xiaomi went with Snapdragon 625. And the only major reasons that I can find are two reasons. One is the battery life. The 14 nanometer processor with Cortex A53, battery life is amazing. I tried it out, the Snapdragon 625 on the Xiaomi Redmi 4 Prime, and it easily lasted me about 2 days. So the battery life on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 with Snapdragon 625 will be amazing. But the thing is, do we really need that much of battery? So 1 day or over 1 day battery life was easily achievable on Snapdragon 650 with Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. So they are going for over 2 days of battery life, but sacrificing on a little bit of performance, not a lot of performance, on a little bit of performance. And the second reason that I think that they went with Snapdragon 625 and not any other is the cost. They have been selling the Xiaomi Redmi 4 Prime in China, and it's been about 2 to 3 months now of their launch in China. And usually their devices come on normal sale in China in about a couple of months. But as the Xiaomi Redmi 4 Prime, so good value for money, it's been so much in demand, they're not able to even have normal sales over there. So the 625 has been imported a lot by Xiaomi, and they might be getting a very heavy discount from Qualcomm on importing so much of Snapdragon 625. So importing Snapdragon 625 for the Xiaomi Redmi 4 Prime China, and importing Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 for the Redmi Note 4 in India. It will be heavy discount. It's major bulk buying, not a minor bulk buying, a major bulk buying. So Xiaomi would be getting a major discount on that. So cost efficiency comes over here. Most probably that's the major reason they went with 25 compared to 52 or 53. So guys, this was my take why they went with the 625, not the 652 or 653. If you agree with me, tell me in the comments below. If you don't, then also comment in the video. Like this video, share this video, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Till then, see ya.